To qualify for an FHA loan, you need a 580 score. There are programs for FHA that let you come in with a lower score than 580,
Wow.
but they get technical. You need a bigger down payment. We need to see why the score is lower. So for something like that, definitely reach out.
Okay.
And we'll evaluate if the score is less than 580. But 580, 3.5% down. Again, a 2-year history of work. We can put it together with schooling and the money. Something important to talk about employment. Some people think that you need to be at your employer for 2 years. You do not. You need a 2-year history of employment. So you could have been, had 2 or 3 different employers within the last 2 years. You could be at this employer for 6 months and have like a 3-month job gap,
Right.
and then the history before that. So don't think that you need to be at the same employer for 2 years. That is not correct.
Right.
You just need a history of working for 2 years.
Gotcha.